I'm going to talk about being a YouTuber, the secret powers of YouTube. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Noel Pargaonkar and my channel is Techie Paddy. I talk about technological related stuff and it relates to anything, be it unboxing of phones, operating systems or cameras, anything related to technology. And so in this session, I'm going to talk about how I have achieved this power in YouTube and what are the secrets of YouTube which you guys also should know. So let's begin. And first of all, guys, tell me, how many of you watch YouTube? Okay. What all do you watch on YouTube? Okay, that's nice. Great, great. That's good to hear. Okay, and one question is, how much do you access YouTube? When you say you have used YouTube, how much do you access per day? All the time. That's nice. Anyways, next please. So, let me begin by talking about what is YouTube. So, let me talk about, so what basically YouTube is a video sharing platform. Just keep the text coming. Video sharing service where the people can upload their videos and the other public views those videos. Okay, and how this thing also works, I'll be also showing you a small demonstration in this presentation soon. The URL is www.youtube.com. That's the simplest URL anybody can remember. Okay, and the headquarters is in San Bruno, which is in California, and this is the YouTube's headquarters. Now, next please. So, does anybody know what is the history of YouTube? You know, you might be aware that Google owns YouTube. But when was this started? Please. It was founded in February 2005. Yes. And the founders were Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim. Google bought this in November 2006. And that's now a part of Google. Next please. Do you want to know some interesting facts about YouTube? Alright, please. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience.
A few moments later.
Apologies guys, apologies. These technical issues do happen.
10 seconds later.
100 hours of video is uploaded every minute to YouTube. Can you believe this? 100 hours of video is uploaded every minute. Now imagine the size of the database they might be having over there. We also have over a billion YouTube users. I mean, we have almost 30 YouTube users here itself. And okay, so guys, have you heard of that song Gangnam Style? Yes. That song was so famous that YouTube has a specific view counter. It broke that. So they had updated a new view counter nowadays. That's what we are using now. Okay. And you know, you can navigate to YouTube in 75 different languages. Be it Hindi, Marathi, English, anything. Even in Chinese, Japanese, whatever. Next. And it is the second largest search engine after Google. You don't find anything on Google, you just go on YouTube. Like for example, you are looking for a recipe, you get the content. But wait, I want to see the practical implementation. Go to YouTube and see the contents. Next please. So guys, please watch this.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys is that they have really long fronts, and that's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say.
So guys, can you see this? Me at the Zoo by Javed. And Javed means he's one of the founders of YouTube. This is the first YouTube video. Can you believe? Look at the views it has got, look at the likes, look at the dislikes. Okay, dislikes nobody sees actually. Yeah, but look at that. Okay, now when you guys use YouTube, do you observe things, what is on a YouTube page? Like, for example, you play a video like this, okay? So that's me, by the way. That's my channel, and you see all this here. But have you noted what all is, what are the components on this page? Please. That's the video title. These are the number of views, the channel name, subscribe button, and the description of the video. On the right hand side, you can see you get recommended videos. So why do you think that comes? It is based on your search history. For example, you're looking at my video, it's Techie Paddy. Over there you'll find a laptop that's again reviewed by me. And anything related to this video also, like you can see Android Auto, hack trick and all that is also there. So it also relates to the search terms and so on. Next please. Let me remove that other part, and you can see there is so much of information more you can see on the YouTube page. And I think this is all self-explanatory by looking at it. Next please. Now, one question comes, who is a YouTuber? So basically, the correct term is a content creator. When you say, hey man, I'm a YouTuber, no, you are a content creator. You create content for the public, you are a content creator. And he's a type of a videographer who makes videos, edits videos and uploads on YouTube. And if you get lucky, you have more views, you are an internet celebrity, by the way. And before that, how many of you follow YouTubers on YouTube? You might be having favorite, especially the youngsters. Basically, there are YouTubers who have gained millions of views, and that's how they reach out to the public in terms of like, for example, in for me, tech. For some people it will be like music, some it will be like dance performances and so on. Now, do you know that any one of you can become a content creator, aka a YouTuber? Yes, you can do that. And let me present you a small video clip as to how you can create a YouTube channel. Please. Well, this is the home YouTube page. You need to sign in first of all. Enter your Gmail ID. Yes, for YouTube you need Gmail, by the way. And you say next, you input the password, yeah, already stored. Now, this is when you sign in. Maybe you will see videos which are based on your search history. But now when you go over there, you said your channel on the top. Now, it will ask you, what do you want to name your channel as? And you said done. And that's it. This is how you create a YouTube channel. Next please. Now you created a YouTube channel. You want to start uploading videos. You already have a video which you want to upload, but how do you do that? Let's proceed with another video clip of me talking about it, please. Now this is my home page. These are my videos which I watch, usually mostly car and tech videos. So you select a file and it starts uploading. This is where I have written a sample test is where the title goes. The next is the description, and this is something called as a tags or a keyword with which your video will be searched on the internet. For example, some phone unboxing for me, or maybe like a camera review or something else, a dance performance. And you can see over here down there were thumbnails, means what you want to show to your viewers, what kind of a video is this, that's the thumbnail. That's the playlist, and above that where it is written public. That public thing is basically the privacy of a video. So you have 4 options: public, private, unlisted and scheduled. So I'll talk about that later. And these are the thumbnails, and you said done. You get a link and you share it. That's it. This is the simplest form of uploading a video. Now when I was talking about what are the parts in this, so let me come to this part which is called as tags or keywords. So now, ma'am, what do you want to upload on YouTube? If I ask you, do you have anything you want to upload on YouTube?
Recipe. Some recipe.
Alright, so you enter a name of a recipe, okay, and you want the viewers to go look to that. So in the tags part, you will write the name of the recipe, your country, like this recipe India, maybe you this recipe this, and so on, and that's all. So what would you like to upload on YouTube?
Most of the times I put on my speeches what I given in the medicals.
Alright, that's a good, nice. Okay, so that way you can enter like the medical speeches and so on. Next please. Now, the main question, how do you earn and how does YouTube earn? How do you earn and how does YouTube earn? That's a trick, please. First of all, monetizing videos. So basically monetizing videos is ads on your video. Guys, how many of you seen ads on your videos? That's monetizing. An ad on a video is basically monetizing where you, the advertising provider provides the ad and you earn some out of it and some even YouTube earns actually. Next, sponsored videos. Well, sponsored videos is basically, if you might have seen some videos, especially youngsters, you might have seen a YouTuber saying this video has been sponsored by so and so. The sponsor has given money to the YouTuber also, and 30% of that money goes to YouTube also. 30%, can you imagine that? And when people say YouTubers earn, not much. Anyways, next, channel membership. So this is a new thing where you can become a membership. You can become a channel membership and you will get exclusive content which on YouTube from the creator or something. It's like 159 rupees per month or something like an Amazon Prime membership type stuff. Okay, next. Now, how can you also earn other than a YouTuber? Next, please. Super chats. How many of you watch live sessions? There's something called a super chat where a person sends a chat to the creator who is conducting the live session with the help of money. You pay 10 bucks, 20 bucks, that chat is seen first as a priority to that person. Next, merchandise. This is right now only my merchandise. So, next, affiliate links. How many of you do Amazon and Flipkart shopping? How many of you watch YouTubers and then buy the product? Yes, that's what. When YouTubers say, please, I have listed down the product link in the description. You click on that, they also earn. That's the trick. Next. Now, let me talk about me. Please the slides. My channel is Techie Paddy. Again, anything related to technology. And yes, I also do vlogging. I have done an Iceland vlogging also. I've been to Iceland, I've done a small vlog on it also. It's 4 years, I think 3 years since I've been doing YouTube. Around 300 subscribers. It's a big deal for me actually. 96 videos. I'll be completing 100 before I leave for my MS. And yes, I also have a website where I post some content. techiepaddy.com. So guys, you can go and visit there. I have written some articles about with some things which I have not covered in my video. Next. And please find me on my YouTube channel, Techie Paddy. Next slide, please. Follow me on all these social platforms. I'll be there. I'll be posting many stuff. And see you next time in my next video. Thank you guys.